Hello guys, welcome to Bikay Kikay Vlogs again. Ngayon ipapakita natin kung paano tayo mag-harvest ng henbee. Ayun. Henbee. This is the henbee. We can boil it and fry, and we can put onion. Oh, too much iron. This one. This one also Ellen henbee. Kulo henbee. Oh. This is the henbee. And what is this? The other one? There? Sili. Sili. I don't know in English. Sili. This one still henbee. Henbee. This is the sili. Sili. Yan. This is the winter vegetables, guys. Sili, henbee, cauliflower, cabbage. Check. Tingnan mo guys, mag-harvest ako ng henbee. Gagamitin natin yung kutsilyo. Kinukutsilyo daw yan. Ay. Masarap siya, ano na siya, parang pakuluan lang. Pakuluan lang siya, tapos gigisahin natin sa maggawa tayo ng maggisa ka lang ng sibuyas. Tapos lagyan mo lang ng lemon. Ay, sarap. Yan talagang ang mataas to sa iron. Yan. Tumutubo pala itong kasi kaka-harvest lang na yun, nakabenta nga siya ng mahal din to sa atin eh. Wala to sa atin, imported yata ito. In Philippines, Elaine, mafi henbee. First time for me also to eat this one. Everything first time. Because in Philippines it's not cold. Ayan. Marami na siyang nakuha o isang bag na. Pero harvestin namin to lahat kasi magbigay ako sa kaibigan ko. I'm happy that Riyadh can eat this one. This henbey. Huh? No, I'm happy that he can eat. Because he plant these things and then he cannot eat. Haram. It's nice to harvest this one. It's easier the knife, Ellen, because you only cut and you remove. Huh? How you plant this one, by seeds? You have seeds. Yeah. This one, how he makes seeds? You will leave it, yani? When you leave it, yani في seeds.
لا في لين اذا بياكلوا الواحد هيك بريد ها شو عم تسوي حالك كيف عم تحوشي هلبي؟
ميكسور هذا شو ملفوف أرنبيط كمان هلا first time first time for me to hala first time for me to see.
شوفوا يا شاميدي واعتبري تروح عند حكيم تروح عند حكيم
Nagustuhan ko rin dito yung ano kasi marami bang mga tanim-tanim. Yung asawa ko ang nagnani sa mga bata ngayon. Siya yung nagnani. Bye guys.